Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we were going to answer a question that is essential for anyone interested in technology. What is data science? You've probably heard companies talking about data-driven decisions or big data analytics, but what exactly does data science mean? And why is it so important in 2025? Let's break it down. At its core, data science is the process of extracting insights and knowledge from data. It combines elements of statistics, mathematics, programming, and domain expertise to turn raw data into actionable insights. In simpler terms, data scientists take large amounts of information, analyze it, and help organizations make smarter decisions. Think about some real-world examples. When Netflix recommends a movie, when Amazon suggests a product, when banks detect fraudulent transactions, or when hospitals predict disease outbreaks, all of this is powered by data science. It's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding patterns, predicting trends, and solving complex problems. Data science typically involves several key steps. First, you collect and clean data, because raw data is often messy and incomplete. Then you explore and analyze the data to identify trends and correlations. Next, you build models, often using machine learning, to make predictions or decisions. Finally, you communicate results, using dashboards, reports, or visualizations, so stakeholders can act on them effectively. One of the reasons data science is so powerful today is the explosion of data. Every day, we generate huge amounts of information, from social media posts and sensor readings to financial transactions and medical records. Data science gives us the tools and techniques to make sense of all this data and turn it into value. The benefits of data science are enormous. Organizations can improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, reduce risks, and identify new opportunities. For example, retailers can optimize inventory, healthcare providers can personalize treatments, and governments can plan better infrastructure, all thanks to insights derived from data. Data science also overlaps with other fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. While AI focuses on making machines intelligent, data science focuses on analyzing data to understand and predict patterns. Machine learning is often a tool within data science to build predictive models. From a career perspective, data science is one of the fastest-growing fields in technology. Roles like data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer, and business intelligence analyst are in high demand. Companies across industries are looking for professionals who can analyze data and provide actionable insights. Learning tools like Python, R, SQL, and visualization libraries is highly valuable for anyone starting in this field. So to sum it up, data science is the art and science of analyzing data to gain insights and make better decisions. It combines statistics, programming, and domain knowledge to solve real-world problems. From predicting customer behavior to detecting fraud, data science is shaping how businesses, governments, and individuals make decisions in today's data-driven world. That's it for today's explainer on data science.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.